Hi guys, and welcome back to another Chef Spud cooking video with a difference, because today I've got a guest chef, my son Ollie, who has got to make a cooking presentation for school. We thought we'd do a video and he's decided to make French Madeleines. Over to you.
For French Madeleines we will need 125 grams of butter, which is half a pack, 150 grams of caster sugar, 2 eggs, 150 grams of flour, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Useful equipment to have is weighing scales, a mixer, a Madeleine tray, a brush thingy, a sieve, and
I think that's it.
a whisk. So we have 127, but that's fine as well. Got to microwave it because it needs to be melted.
Don't know, put it in for a minute to start with. And then 150 grams of caster sugar. Let's spill it. We're up to now.
46.
Look at that concentration.
Call this it.
Yep.
A pinch of salt. 2 beaten eggs. That was
Messy.
weird, yeah. Need to whisk the eggs. Then pour, I think. That didn't go well.
Use that, don't tell mummy.
She finds out at some point.
Well, probably when she watches this video.
And then kadoosh that down. And then it's now a squirt.
Was that about a teaspoon?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll be right.
We microwaved our butter for a minute and it looks like icebergs now.
It does.
Now we add it slowly whilst it's mixing.
That's good. Got most of it in there.
Okay, now we're going to weigh out 150 grams of flour. It can be self-raising flour as well. We're going to sieve it.
Chosen the smallest spoon there, it's going to take you forever.
Oh well, it's a thing called time lapse. How much do we need again?
150.
151, that's good enough.
Good job. That's it. Keep going till it's all gone.
Now we need to pour it into the mixture. Okay, now we're going to use the brushy thingy. We used the leftover butter that didn't manage to go in. We are using proper Madeleine trays because we are professional.
Good one. You need a bit more, there's a bit more over here, look.
Yeah. Now I'm going to preheat the oven. 180.
Good job.
Which way do you
Other
turn?
way.
Okay, once you've brushed the butter over the top, you will want to get a bit of flour over the top so it makes it not stick even better. Then you want to tap the excess off into the sink.
Proper job. There, that's good. Right, let's get this off of here. Oh, it's lumpy.
So 1 good tablespoon to each mould.
If you need to, use that with the other end.
It's not pretty, but hopefully it'll be alright.
Mate, you've got it all out your hands.
Now, Dad, can you put it in the oven for me?
Yeah, okay, hang on.
Da, 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 da.
There we go. I'll see you in a minute.
Bye, have a good time. Now cook for 10 to 12 minutes and don't open the door.
Right, let's have a look. Whoa, that was steamy. Oh dear mate, I think we might have put too much mixture in there. Oh dear. This is where you shouldn't have to cut these up. Yeah, never mind.
It depends how they taste like. They could be absolutely fine.
I think they just look like giant
Shells.
Giant Madeleines. Right, carefully use that and a spoon. Do not touch the tray. But at least they're not stuck in the tray. And instead of having a nice
little Madeleine, we're going to have chunky ones.
Correct.
Now we leave them to cool on here for 5 minutes. Now they've cooled down, ours has a crater, but they're supposed to be round. So we're going to use that to our advantage. We're going to use lemon curd in the middle.
Genius idea, mate.
You can use jam if you want, but...
Go on, go for it. Have a little bite.
Mmm.
Is that good with the lemon curd? They are. Game changer. Go on, do me one then.
You can go yourself.
Oh, thanks. Oh, okay. Cameraman and sous chef all in one. Look at that. Come on. Oh, that is mega. So there you go. Gonna close the video. Are you gonna close the video out? Go on.
Okay, we're gonna close the video here. And you can put whatever you want if it turns out to be a crater. You can put jam, lemon curd, raspberry jam, blueberry jam if that's a thing. And you can eat them with your family. Like and subscribe and comment what was your favourite bit of the video. I don't know.
There we go. See you next time.
Bye for now. To make Madeleines, we will
Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Can you just hold it up next to you? Told you we're better than Gordon Ramsay.